Hi everyone, welcome to your professor. In this session, let's derive the equations of rectilinear motion or translatory motion from the basic fundamental principles. Before starting, if you like this video, please click on the like button. And if you don't want to miss any video, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Let's start. Let u be the initial velocity, v be the final velocity, S be the displacement, A be the acceleration, T be the time. So here if you observe there is a range for velocity. So initial velocity is u, final velocity v. So it ranges from u to v. When we consider displacement and time, let us consider it is initially at a distance of x is equal to 0. Later it has got a displacement of s. Similarly, initially there is a 0 seconds time. Later it has got t seconds time. So I am considering velocity range from u to v and displacement range from 0 to s and time range from 0 to t. We know that acceleration is equal to rate of change of velocity. So we can write a as dv by dt. So when we subject this equation to dv, dv is equal to a into dt. Let's integrate this equation on both sides. So as we know, velocity ranges from u to v and here the variable is time. So time ranges from 0 to t. So integral dv is v. So within the limits u to v, so this will become v minus u. A is constant, integral dt is t. So 0 to t are the limits. So it will become t. If we subject this equation to v, then v is equal to u plus at. We know that velocity is equal to rate of change of displacement, that is v is equal to ds by dt. So when we subject this equation to ds, ds is equal to v into dt. So instead of v, we can substitute u plus at. Earlier just now we have got the relation u plus at into dt. So when we simplify this one, ds is equal to u into dt plus a into t into dt. So let's integrate this equation on both sides. So here displacement ranges from 0 to s, whereas time ranges from 0 to t. Here also time ranges from 0 to t. So this is s is equal to integral dt is t plus a into, so integral t dt is t squared divided by 2. So that is nothing but s is equal to ut plus half at square. We know the relation between velocity and displacement. Velocity is nothing but rate of change of displacement. V is equal to ds by dt. Let's divide and multiply this one with dv. So v is equal to ds by dv into dv by dt. From this, v is equal to ds by dv. The rate of change of velocity is nothing but acceleration. Let's take dv onto left hand side. V into dv is equal to a into ds. Let's integrate this equation on both sides. So v ranges from u to v, whereas ds ranges from 0 to s. So integral v dv is nothing but v squared divided by 2. Within the limits u to v, a into integral ds is s. So this is 1 by 2, you can take it out. V square minus u square is equal to as. So if you simplify this one, v square minus u square equal to 2as. These are equations of rectilinear motion or translatory motion. If you like this video, please click on the like button and do subscribe the channel. And for regular notifications, please hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching.